All right, Grant, why did you pack up all your toys?
Look what Grant doing.
Grant? Grant, why did you pack up all your toys?
What happened?
Grant, why did you assemble all your toys? Where are you going? Where are you going?
It's going to Germany.
Where are you going?
Germany.
Why are you going to Germany? Why are you going to Germany?
Because my tooth is missing.
Because your tooth is missing?
Yeah. I'm not staying here. Where is it?
You're not staying here?